draw a super cool open car! Wow! So, let's get started. First, let's start with the car's body. Draw a big, smooth shape that looks like our car's main frame. Now, let's draw a small curved line in the front for the front bumper. Next, draw 2 big round circles for the wheels. These wheels will help our car go vroom, vroom! Now, let's add a back bumper. Let's draw car's headlight and backlight. Now, draw a tall window in the front. That's the windshield. Time to draw the door. Now, behind the mirror, let's draw a soft, curved seat. Now, we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Let's color the whole car body bright pink. Friends, I love pink cars, but you can color it with your favorite colors. Wow, it already looks like a fun ride, doesn't it? Color the seat pink too. It looks super cute and cheerful. Now use yellow for the door and the border of the front window. It makes our car look shiny and stylish. Let's color them red, bright and ready to shine. Now color the front window blue. It looks like the sky reflecting in it. So cool! Let's use green for both front and back bumpers. Color the outer parts of the wheels black and the centers gray. Wow, they look just like real tires. Finally, let's color the road gray. Our car is ready to go on an adventure. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.